Hey besties, welcome back to Leendo's kitchen. Yes. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Leendo and this is my kitchen. So guys, in today's video, as you've seen with the title, we'll be making fried hake, deep fried hake. As you can see, so yummy, so delicious. So I'll be taking you guys along, showing you the steps that I take on how to achieve this very delicious hake. So do stay tuned and do subscribe if you haven't already done so. Enjoy.
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen, I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen, I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo.
Okay besties, so the ingredients that we're gonna be utilizing for our fried hake, first and foremost, you obviously need hake. So I've already opened it, but this is the hake that we're gonna be using. So it's 5 of them in here, and you need to use it completely thawed, as in it must completely defrost on its own, not in the microwave. So it's 5 hake fillets, and then we also have 1 cup of flour over here, and then we have 3 eggs. I've already beaten them up, and then we've got some salt, we have some lemon which we're gonna use at the end, and the spices. So I've got here oregano, turmeric to give it some yellowish color, black pepper, spice for fish. This is very important, you definitely need this one. And then we also have this lemon and black pepper. I thought that it would be really cool for our fish. And then lastly, salt. So these are basically all the ingredients. So let me just take you through and show you how I prepare my fish. Enjoy. Okay besties, so I've already rinsed the fish over here, and actually the box was written that there's 5 fillets, but I actually got 6, so it's our lucky day. So now what you need to do is you need to pat them dry after rinsing them. Just pat them like that with the paper towel so that they don't have too much water. So now we are done. We're going to season them, and then we'll go through to the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna season it with the lemon and black pepper, salt, and the fish spice, as well as just a bit of black pepper, not too much because this already does have black pepper. So actually no, I'll put the black pepper in our flour. So for now I'll just season with the lemon and black pepper, fish spice, as well as our salt. Remember not to put too much salt because the fish spice has a lot of salt. So just make sure that you are very careful when you are adding your salt. Okay, lastly we're going to add our lemon and black pepper. And then just rub the fish so that it goes in. Okay, so we are just going to put this aside so we can start mixing our flour. Okay, besties, so while we've set our fish aside, we're going to mix our flour in here. So first things first, I'm going to add a bit of salt, and then the spice for fish, and then I'm going to add also turmeric so that the fish has a nice yellowy color. And then a bit of black pepper, and then some oregano, and lastly the lemon and black pepper spice. Okay, now that you have that, just mix everything together. Okay, so we've got our flour already mixed. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the pan on the stove so that the oil can start to heat up already. Okay, so in the meantime, we are going to start dipping our fish into egg and then flour and then onto the stove. So let's get into that. Okay, besties, so as you can see, we have the fish here, the egg, the flour, and the plate. That is the order that we're gonna be taking. So we're gonna start by taking the fish, dipping it into the egg, into the flour, and then we put it on the plate and then into the stove. So let's do that. Make sure that it is fully dipped in. Make sure that the flour covers it properly. Okay, besties, so we are ready to go start frying our fish right now. As you can see, it's fully coated in the flour and the egg. So I'm quickly going to the stove now. Oh, hey there, bestie. Did you know that I've got my own recipe ebook which I've written step by step, especially for you guys? Well, if you didn't know, now you know. The book is only 99 Rand or $7. So if you'd like to purchase this ebook, go to my website www.leendokitchen.com, and you can be anywhere in the world. Just purchase on my website and you'll receive the book. Bye. Okay, besties, so we're gonna start adding our fish. It's already hot, as you can see, like the oil. You can tell that it's very hot as it's a bit lighter now. So, because the pan is not that big, I'm not gonna add many at a time. Just gonna add 2. Okay, besties, so now we're gonna be turning the fish around so that it can also cook on the other side. Okay, besties, so you'll fry it for about 3 minutes on each side and then you take it out. So I have here my plate with some paper towel so that when I take it out, at least it rests on the towel. And now we're adding the second load. Alright besties, so as you can see, this is our last one. We are done with our hake. It looks so nice and very nice and crispy. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to indulge. Looks yummy. Okay, so now basically we have our 6 hake fillets. Now what are we gonna do is just quickly going to sprinkle some lemon while it's still hot. So just sprinkle some lemon on top. It becomes so nice. And also I have this paper towel so that it can hold like the excess oil that comes from the fish. Well, from the pan actually. So it's always nice to just sprinkle your lemon while your fish is hot so that it gets absorbed. And you are pretty much ready. And that is it, besties. That is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And please do give it a thumbs up. Also comment below, what do you like to have your hake with? And I'll see you besties on the next video. Bye.
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendo kissing. Leendo's kissing. I love you,